see. Hey, Dr. G.
Hello.
How are you? Thank you
Good.
for meeting with me today. Thank you for just introduce yourself to our Mindful Paleo 30 program members and give us a little bit of background on yourself.
Sure. Hello, my name is Dr. Vladimir Gashinsky. I'm owner of Holistic Dental Center in Millburn, New Jersey. And if you're interested, probably what is holistic dentistry, I will just give you a small introduction about it. Holistic dentistry about how we do the dentistry which improve your entire health.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So Dr. G, so can you tell our members why do people go to a holistic dentist versus a conventional dentist? What's the difference?
People go into holistic practice who are health-minded, because for them the health is priority. Mm-hmm. And it's very important to know that it's material they put in your mouth might be allergic, might be just interfere, might be just toxic. It's everything possible in this life. And in Holistic Dental Center, we're very, very precise what material we put in the patient's mouth. Mm-hmm. And what we use it. Mm-hmm. And we check in those material with a specific test and make sure your health is improved.
So what kind of materials are people concerned about, Dr. G?
Basically, people concerned about the metals, people concerned about amalgams, people concerned about the metallic implants in their mouths. People have a lot of concerns. Because statistically we know that almost 30% of female population are allergic to nickel. And this is a big problem.
To nickel.
Yeah.
And how does that affect people's health?
Yeah, it's allergic reaction doesn't make anybody feel better because it affects the immune system. And the immune system stop working the right way and just start working the wrong way. It just definitely affects the whole entire health.
The whole entire body. I just think it's so interesting, Dr. G. When I came to see you and you showed me the Meridian Tooth chart and you explained how each tooth is connected to, has a relationship with your organs. Can you tell us a little bit about that without going too deep?
Meridian's chart was developed more than 5,000 years ago. Because it was developed in China. They developed acupuncture, they developed meridians, and they developed the chart that show what specific tooth, if its tooth is infected, affecting your body. If you look at this chart and you see the tooth number 14, it affects a lot of organs. It affects kidney, liver, spleen, stomach, and breast. It's very, very important tooth in the mouth. And if you see the problems with this tooth, it affects also certain glands, especially thyroid.
Thyroid glands.
Yeah, it's very, very important to know if it is tooth infected. And if it's tooth infected, then you have to discuss the option for the patient. How make sure it's not going to be affect their life and their health in general.
Can you just give us an example of maybe a client or a patient that you had that was affected and that felt better afterwards?
Yeah, we have a lot of clients that just come in here and unfortunately the infections just went so far we have to remove the tooth. And they feel much better. Just a few days later they feel stronger, they can move better, they feel like energy coming back to them, life coming back to them.
That is so dramatic. Such a big change.
Big thing. It's a huge change.
So if there's an infection in one of the teeth, it affects so many functions.
It's true. Because basically in Holistic Dental Center we're interested about eliminating infection, toxicity, allergies, anything that might interfere with the immune system. And this is very important to us because the immune system is a basic for healthy life.
And I thought it was so interesting when I came to see you, Dr. G, that the first initial session with you was so different than going to a conventional doctor, conventional dentist, where you really took the time to explain the condition of my teeth and all the potential aspects of it, how it affects the rest of my body. So I thought that was so interesting. So is this something that is very different for your practice? This is something unique to Holistic Dental Center?
Yes, because the most important thing in our Holistic Dental Center is patient education. Because educated patient understand what needs to be done, what's done, and why, and how it's going to improve their health. And for us, education is number one priority. Because then the patient is educated, they know, they start feeling better their body, they start controlling environment, and they change themselves. It's not only change how they're just taking care of the teeth, about their diet, about exercise, everything just interconnected. And people become aware and become just more understandable how the whole body works.
Great, terrific. Thank you so much, Dr. G. So any last words of advice for our members who are going through dietary changes now to clean up sugar and, toxic foods? Right now we're going through 30 days of mindfulness and dietary changes. Any suggestions or recommendations from an oral health perspective?
First suggestion, be strong. Just go through these 30 days because it's going to make a big change. And after that, just stay on this. Because I done these changes in my life and my diet and everything else. And after that, you're done with this diet, just come to us. We'll find out is any problem in your mouth, because obviously you're a health-oriented person. And obviously you want to just improve your life and you want to improve your health, which is very important to us. And we're going to help you as much as we could.
Thank you so much, Dr. G. You're amazing, and I love your team here. What a professional place this is. And I hope you guys get to see Dr. G's office in Millburn at the Holistic Dental Center. Come see him, and we could see if we can get some coupons to visit if you're in the area. Thank you so much, Dr. G.
See you soon.